Substances may be separated by a number of methods, which include crystallization, evaporation, filtration, fractional distillation, gravity separation, for example, the separating funnel, simple distillation, and sublimation. Some substances may be required a combination of these methods. Substances may be separated based on a number of characteristics, such as their solubility, melting and boiling points, particle size, and composition. Okay, crystallization. This method is used to separate a solid from a liquid. Usually, the solid is dissolved. However, no heat is applied, as most times these solids are damaged by heat. Instead, it is covered and left at room temperature to crystallize. Evaporation. This method is similar to crystallization, however, heat is applied to convert the liquid to gas by the process of evaporation. The solid will be left behind in the container that is used. Filtration. This method can be used to separate an insoluble solid from liquid, that is a suspension, by using a filter paper and a filter funnel. The filter paper acts as a strainer in the laboratory and therefore separate the insoluble solid from liquid. The liquid that passed through the filter paper is called the filtrate, and the solid left on the filter paper is called the residue. Fractional distillation. This method is used to separate miscible liquids that have boiling points that are close, that is, within the range of 25 degrees Celsius. For example, alcohol and water. Heat is applied to the mixture and the liquid of lower boiling point will change to vapor first. It will rise into the fractionating column where the glass beads with large surface area prevent the mixing of the different vapors. The condenser serves to cool the vapors, changing them back to liquid by the passing of water through its jacket, allowing these liquids to be collected separately. Under gravity, by using the separating funnel. This method is used to separate immiscible liquids, for example, oil and water. The denser liquid will be at the bottom of the funnel. Therefore, when the tap is opened, it will flow out first and can be collected separately. The less dense liquid will be collected second, and so on. Simple distillation. This method is used to separate two or more substances that have boiling temperatures far apart, for example, 25 degrees Celsius, or a solid in liquid where the liquids need to be retained. Heat is applied and the liquid with lower boiling point will change to vapor and is cooled in the condenser by the water passing through the condenser. These can be collected separately. The liquid collected is called the distillate. The method of sublimation. This method is usually used where there are two or more solids that are mixed. One of these solids must be able to be sublimed, that is, changed directly to a gas when it is heated. Therefore, heat is applied to the mixture covered by an inverted funnel. The inverted funnel will be cooled so that the vapor will change back to solid on the funnel, leaving behind the solid that cannot sublime. So, today, what can separate sand from salt. Which method would we use to separate sand from salt? If you said a combination of filtration and simple distillation, you are correct.